Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to take a pair of pants and turn them into shorts, and it's so easy. So you're going to try on your pants and put a pin where you want the shorts to end. So I don't want them to be any longer than that or any shorter than that. So you're just going to put a pin in like that, and you're all done for now. We're going to cut about 3 fingers width down from that pin so that we have extra fabric for seam allowance. You're going to lay out your pants nice and smooth. You can even zip them up, line up the waistband, and we can even bring up the bottom leg of the pants and use it to show us a straight line for us to cut across. So that's 3 fingers width from the pin. Now I'm going to use a good pair of fabric scissors and just cut across this straight line using this as a marker. So I'm just cutting straight through both layers of fabric right across the pants like that. And now you can use the piece that you cut off one leg and lay it out perfectly even over the other leg, and that again will be your marker of how much to cut off. And now we're going to use our fabric scissors and again cut across this line with this pant leg showing you where to cut. Perfect. So now both pant legs are cut off and we already have a cute pair of shorts. So you're going to take a sewing needle and some thread. You can pull the thread about the length of your arm and then cut it off at a bit of an angle. And that makes it just a little bit easier to get through the hole in the top of the needle. Then you just pull your thread through until the ends meet at the bottom like that. So the first thing you're going to do is flip the shorts inside out. So you're going to start sewing on one of the side seams of the shorts, and you're just going to fold your fabric up once and then twice, and that's how we're going to sew it in place. So you're going to put your needle through that hem you just rolled, and then it can come out through this side seam of the inside of the shorts. Pull your thread through, but not all the way through, and then you're going to go back through those same holes or just close to the same area again, making this loop of thread. And when you put your needle through the loop and pull it shut, that creates a knot. So you're going to do about 3 knots just like that to start your sewing, and this just secures it in place along this side seam. So we have our knot on the seam, and now what we're going to do is just keep rolling the fabric up once and then twice, and we're just going to sew along this line. To sew, you just take a little piece of the fabric of the short and then come out through that hem with your needle and pull it like that. And then you want to do a back stitch, which means you go back into the short and then out close to the same hole you just came out. That makes a loop of thread. You can even put your needle through that loop and pull it into a knot just to secure it in place. And we're just going to do this all along the bottom of the short. Put your needle through the fabric of the shorts and out through the hem like that, and then go back through the same areas again, creating that loop. Put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. We're just doing this all along the bottom of the shorts. When you're running out of thread, all you need to do is a couple of those knots on top of each other, and then you can cut off your thread and rethread your needle. And then back through the loop, pull it shut. There's our second knot. Once we do 3 knots, we can cut off our thread and rethread our needle. Cut another piece about the length of your arm, cut it off at an angle, smooth it out with your fingers, and then you're just going to start where you stopped. When you get to another seam, you want to roll it up nice and straight, and that's a good guide on keeping your stitches nice and straight. And if it helps you, you can also use a pin to hold that in place while you sew, so that the seam lines up with itself over here. So that's where I stopped sewing. Now I'm going to start with some more knots. So through the fabric, out through the hem, create that loop of thread, put your needle through, and pull it tight. And once you have 3 knots in, you can resume your regular sewing. When you reach the seam, take out a pin if you have one. You can go through the hem and then through this part of the seam because you're not going to see it on the other side. So you can take a nice big chunk through there, again through the hem, out through the seam, and through the loop to make this knot. You can just keep doing those stitches until you get right back to the first seam that you started sewing on. So we're right back to where we started. All we need to do is 3 of those knots going through this seam of fabric that goes up the shorts and then out through this hem. So now when you have 3 knots, you can cut off your thread and your shorts are sewn. We're just going to do the same thing on the other side. And when you put them back, right side out, you have this nice hand-sewn hem inside, but you can't see any of the thread on the outside, and your pants are now shorts. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.